Now we've got oil prices today hovering at about $46 a barrel. The IEA saying that prices should stabilize by the end of the year. You've been putting a $50 price target on oil.
I mean, look, the United States is going to be importing another 1 million barrels because of our decline. China going to be importing another 300,000. Sharif Suki, the man fired by Carl Icahn, who's going to be on Scott Wapner. Scott Wapner's going to have Ackman on today. But last week he had Carl Icahn on. Icahn basically trashing Suki, but Suki came on Mad Money and said the Saudis don't have that much spare capacity, maybe 1 million barrels. So you're now talking about China increasing demand with less supply, United States increasing demand, less supply, Saudis not be able to make up for all this decline in supply, which means oil can go higher. At 50, we will start producing more oil because that's where there's a lot of companies in this country where they can start selling futures because they have to owe banks a lot of money, and the banks are demanding it.
Now, Deloitte out with a report this morning saying that a third of the oil producers could go bankrupt this year if we don't see a substantial increase in the price of oil. Is that a possibility?
No. I mean, look, I think that I don't know whether they think they need it to be 70, 80, but at 50, you can live to play again. Some of the natural gas companies can, but I mean, that's totally out of sync with what we're seeing. The Freeport, which is a gigantic oil and gas company, it has been one of the great horses. Devon, they've been remarkable. Exxon, Chevron, fantastic. Now, obviously, their balance sheets were never challenged. The fill or kill team in real money has done the best work on these stretched oil companies. And I think you would find that they did this massive refinancing, whether it be Marathon and Newfield Exploration, Hess, and that's out of sync with what's going on in the stock market. I often find people opine from 30,000 feet. If you're down here looking at the equity offerings and you're looking at the price of oil, you know that these companies are not going to go under at anywhere around these levels.